Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I have something exciting for you ladies. It's not about hair, it's about this. What you see inside here, it's a homemade scrub for your face. It's all natural ingredients. Probably you have all of this in your kitchen, guys. So let's get to it and make ourselves a facial scrub. People, let's begin. We're going to need only 4 ingredients: lemon, which I already have in my bowl, a cup of sugar, and then honey. So the oil I'm going to be using today is coconut oil, but you can use any type of oil you have. You can use vitamin E oil, you can use any type of oil you have. So now I'm already added my sugar to the lemon. Now I'm adding honey, so let's mix it up. Yeah, we all know the benefits of exfoliating the skins. You're getting rid of the dead skin cells of your skin. So this is where we're using the sugar. It's going to help us to exfoliate. And the honey is also good for the skin. It prevents your skin from future breakouts. Yeah, and the acids found in lemons are also good for the skin. So people, this is it. You just have to keep on mixing and adding accordingly until you get the mixture you want. You don't want it to be runny. Now I'm going to add it in my jar here, but you can use mason jar. I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, but you can use mason jar. Yes. Yeah, so now I'm going to add it inside here, and that's it. So how you apply it on your skin, like you use circular motions and you apply it on your face, leave it on for a few minutes, and then wash it off with warm water, lukewarm water, or you can use a damp towel that is warm. Yeah, and there you have it. Now I'm adding my coconut oil to the mixture. So you can use it when it's when you've already melted it, or you can use it as you've seen me doing. So this can actually last for a few weeks. You don't have to keep it in the refrigerator. You can leave it on the counter, and yeah, as long as your jar is tight. Yeah. So friends, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, if you are new here, please consider subscribing, and my old people returning, thank you. And oh, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, I'll be glad. Thumbs up, you can leave a comment, and yeah, this is our scrub all done. Let's go exfoliate that skin, babes. See you in my next video. Bye.